Hey VAT, we're using a website today to edit some photos. Before we get into Photoshop, let's take a look at what's out there as far as free editing websites, and this is one of them, PicMonkey. There's a lot of websites out there and a lot of apps for your phones that people use to edit photographs. This is a website that you can use on your home computer or on your Chromebook that would allow you to edit photographs in a number of ways. When you click on the link, it should take you to this website. Sometimes, especially when you hit this button, Edit, to edit a photo, sometimes it'll prompt you to sign up for a free trial. You can just X out of that and then keep going forward. It might ask you like twice. It'll try to get you to sign up so that it can send you junk mail and try to get you to pay them money. So just X out of those things, and then finally you get to a place where you can open up a photo from your computer. You can open up a photo from your home directory. You have a couple photos that you've saved there. You also have a place on your computer called Libraries. Libraries over here on the left-hand side would take you to a menu that says Pictures, and there are some sample pictures that came with the Dell computer, like some penguins and jellyfish and some flowers. So if you're into that, do that. I'm going to edit these tulips right here. The tulips can be edited, or any photo can be edited on this website. There are lots of options on the left-hand side, including these basic edits right here that would allow you to crop the photo, meaning you can cut parts of it out. When you're done, you apply. You have the option to rotate and flip the photo. You have the ability to change the exposure, which basically is the brightness, the darkness, and the contrast of the photograph. So you can hit apply or cancel if you don't like it. There's options to adjust color, the temperature, and the saturation of the color. You can hit apply or cancel. And I think our goal right now is just to simply see what this can do to your photo, to push it kind of to its limits and see experimentally like what we can do with this free software. So this one right here is a magic wand. It gives you a list of effects that you can apply. These are very simple one-button sort of manipulations like that you would have. Instagram has several of these and so on. So you can look through these and apply a couple of them and just kind of see what they do. There's also the ability to write words on your photo and to be able to apply stickers to your photo as well. Some kind of silly things in here that you can apply. Go nuts and make this thing very different. Try to explore this whole website and see what kind of things you can do. When you're done, all you want to do is, we're just going to use the snipping tool again. So the snipping tool in the start menu down here, be able to use the snipping tool to click and drag across your image. It'll take a picture of that, and all you have to do is go to File, Save As, and save it in your home directory, in your VAT folder, in that folder that we created the other day called App Art. Now I would save this one, the file name, I would make sure that I call this Flowers After, because we're going to have a before and after picture. So this is after editing with PicMonkey. And JPEG file is awesome, so let's hit OK, let's hit save, and that'll save to our H drive, and then you'll have it. Eventually what you're trying to get to is posted on the website. You'll see a side-by-side, a before and after, really trying to explore this entire website to manipulate a photograph. Tomorrow we'll talk about the differences between this and Photoshop, and we'll start to experiment with what Photoshop has to offer. So, thanks for watching.